Pertama dapat tilang boy.
Saya kurang mau ninja tuh sih.
Pertama dapat tilang. Kirli. Kau boleh. Aduh asik. Gue ditilang boy, gue ditilang sama teman gue boy. Ini baru pertama kali gue ditilang boy. Kayaknya ditilang sih, tapi gue biasanya di Jakarta itu bayar 20.000, tapi di sini tilang langsung diangkut boy. Asik.
All my brothers never fear death and they been ready to meet God. They finna die for the cause, pow pow, pray Allah protect the Dean Squad. Just because we humble to the heart, that don't mean we don't go hard. All you think about is money, but nobody taking nothing to the graveyard. We ain't taking nothing to the grave, not a dollar to the grave, yeah. Lift the give, lift the give, lift the give, man, I learned it from Hassan, yeah. You numb the pain with the money, me, I numb the pain when I pray, yeah. My cousin took his own life, fell victim of the suicide lane. All the sin and jahiliyyah, I admit I was bad, but I'm not afraid to tell you that I do have a past.